If you're encountering the payment method not available error on Adyen, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check payment method availability. Verify that the payment method you are trying to use is supported in your region and by the merchant. Different regions may have different payment options available. Step 2. Update payment information. Ensure that your payment details such as card number, expiration date, and billing address are entered correctly. Incorrect information can lead to payment method errors. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser cache can cause issues with payment processing. Clear your browser's cache and cookies and try to make the payment again. Step 4. Try a different payment method. If the issue persists, consider using an alternative payment method. Adyen supports various options, so switching to another method may resolve the problem. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the payment method not available error efficiently.